This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Candace McGuffey. This breathtaking home is a must-see. The open floor plan allows the light to fill the space. Boasting 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The great room has cathedral ceilings with a fireplace and built-in cabinets. The 2020 upgraded kitchen with newly finished cabinetry and oversized island is spectacular. The primary bedroom on the main floor has a beautiful view and vaulted ceilings. The bathroom has double sinks, walk-in shower and a walk-in closet with a safe. The updates are numerous: interior paint, kitchen refresh, upstairs carpet, interior lights, patio cover, hardwood floors and plantation shutters. The home also has plenty of storage with a walk-in second floor storage room. For more information, review the details below or contact Candace McGuffey at 865-342-4200.